SAP B1 Production Module, your solution for complete manufacturing control. Are production challenges slowing down your business? Many companies face friction in three main areas: procurement disconnect, shop floor blind spots, and financial friction from inaccurate costing and excess inventory. Inefficient production management leads to significant margin leakage. This includes increased wastage, delayed customer deliveries, inventory inaccuracies, and poor decision-making due to a lack of real-time data. Centralize your manufacturing lifecycle with the SAP Business One ERP platform. It provides a single source of truth, integrating production planning, inventory, financials, and warehouse operations for end-to-end control. SAP B1 uses the Bill of Materials, or BOM, to create structured product definitions. This standardizes every required input, from raw materials and production resources to semi-finished and finished goods, ensuring total consistency. Monitor execution through production orders, tracking activities from planned production and released orders through material consumption and production status to the final finished goods output. This manages the process from start to completion. Automate demand analysis with material requirements planning, or MRP. The MRP brain analyzes demand, including sales and forecasts, and supply, or current inventory, to prevent stock shortages with purchase and production recommendations. Track true profitability with advanced production costing. By accurately calculating material, labor, resource consumption, and overhead expenses, you can identify immediate opportunities to improve profitability. The integrated manufacturing engine ensures every stage informs and updates the others in real time, starting with MRP, flowing to the BOM, executing production orders, and completing with costing to determine profitability. SAP Business One offers an integrated advantage over standalone systems. It provides a single ERP platform with complete business visibility, seamlessly linking production, warehousing, sales, and finance in real time. SAP B1 is scalable across complex manufacturing sectors. It supports diverse industries such as metal manufacturing, engineering, automotive components, consumer goods, and plastics and chemicals, growing seamlessly with your business. SAP B1 provides transformational benefits for growing businesses, achieving planning efficiency, improving inventory accuracy by ensuring materials are available when needed, and gaining real-time visibility across production performance. Maximize your ERP value with Kabeer Consulting Group, a global SAP partner. We offer comprehensive support, including implementation, process optimization, intelligent MRP configuration, and custom reports and dashboards. Kabeer Consulting Group offers global SAP expertise tailored to your region. As our founder and CEO states, the team at Kabeer Consulting Group delivers effective solutions with our proven information technology. Transform your ERP into a true growth engine. Stop relying on spreadsheets and gain greater control, visibility, and efficiency across your production operations. Contact Kabeer Consulting Group today for a free demo and consultation.